A team from Aarhus Water in Denmark is preparing the search for water leakages in the city of Tema in Ghana.
Right now we are going into the property of the consumer and we find the water meter.
0780.
In Ghana and lots of other countries, the level of so-called non-revenue water is about 50%. A lot of water never reaches the consumer.
There was a leak and it was on the service side, so that was leaking and we had reported it.
We are receiving about 5.5 million gallons and we're able to sell on the average about 2.7, leaving a deficit of about 2.7, 2.8, which amounts to about 48% of water that we are not able to account for, 50%.
The more we experience much leakages and bursts within our system, the more we lose money because we treat the water, we pump the water before it gets to the customer. So leaks and bursts is a big issue for us because it's loss of money.
Ghana Water has partnered up with Aarhus Water to chase the leakages and reduce water loss.
In Aarhus, we have a very low percentage of non-revenue water and water loss, about 5%. Here it is up to 50%, somewhere it is that high.
Currently in our region, most of our water we are not able to account for. It's mostly commercial losses. That is theft, illegal connections and unauthorized usage of our water.
As part of the Ghanaian-Danish Strategic Sector Corporation, new approaches to leakage detection are tested in Tema, both day and night.
We are here to learn more about a more proactive way of detecting leakages. All the procedures are interesting and they are fun to be involved in it. If you are able to use some of these technology, it helps you addressing some of these challenges.
It's an all-round knowledge sharing which goes from leakage detection to quality of repair to data-driven asset management.
While it's important to find leakages, the team from Aarhus also have another goal.
We have a big focus on actually training the staff from Ghana Water because that is what makes the difference when we are away and going back to Denmark. It is that they have the skills themselves to do the exercise again. So today we are not going very fast because it is important that every time there is something to see and something to listen to, that all the staff members have the opportunity to try to do it themselves.
We have had the opportunity to try hands-on using equipment to detect leakages and bursts.
If efforts to reduce the level of non-revenue water in Tema prove successful, Ghana Water wants to roll them out throughout Ghana.
Denmark has developed their water supply to a level where we will want to get to. Whilst we're doing non-revenue above 40, almost 50 thereabout, they were doing less than 10. And this is a challenge that we think something that we can also learn.